Alright, so I've got an idea to improve my water filtration system here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to poke a little hole. So we'll poke it right here through the bag on both sides. I'm going to run a string through it, and this way I can kind of set this up in a gravity feed system, kind of like I did on the CDT. But I think this will give me the time to kind of do other things, because filtering waters is so time consuming that I kind of need the time to do other tasks. I could be eating food, I could be, you know, charging batteries, I could just be doing washing my socks, a number of things. I think this is going to help me out here in terms of time. I'll just make a big knot behind each hole here. Whoops, that's not where I wanted it. It's making all sorts of knots. Getting all knotty. Alright. A nice big knot there. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to run this through this side. Okay, so we'll, I don't know, I'll make it maybe about that big, and I'll tie some knots on this side. Okay. Now I got myself a gravity feed system here. Now I can just kind of wrap this around this or tree or whatever, wherever I'm at. And now this thing is going to work while I'm doing other stuff. And that's about the same flow I'm getting if I squeeze through the bag, so I'm not really gaining a whole lot. So you can see I'm squeezing now, and yeah, it's going a bit faster, but I'm getting like 60% of the flow, 60-70% of the flow from doing nothing. So now I'm going to go wash my socks while this works.